someone here cannot focus on things around him or her at nakikita ko ng mga importante mga bagay yon. Ano importante mga bagay? Like work, di ba? Pag hindi tayo nag-work, wala tayong money i-earn, di ba? Whether nag-work siya sa isang company or may negosyo siya rito, no? Wala dun yung kanyang isip na lumilipad, no? Nagpa-fly-fly, ganong energy. So, let us see. This person's mind is all over the place. Let us see what's happening right here. Thank you so much, everyone, sa inyong love and pagsuporta sa akin. Thank you so much. 사랑합니다. Okay. Oh. Nine of Swords, Eight of Cups, Eight of Swords. Definitely. Three of Swords right at the center heart of this reading. But I'm picking up more likely that this is the energy right here. Someone who wants to connect with you guys. Seven of Swords. Four of Coins. High Priestess. Okay. The Tower is an indication of blockage. Five of Coins, bottom of the deck. So, before we dive deeper into this reading of yours, kakaloka, nakuha natin message rito mga babes, no? Babatiin muna natin ang lahat, okay? So, hi and hello sa mga bagong subscribers. My name is Yan. Welcome here. And sa aking mga returning na mga tambayer sa pabalik-balik, walang kasawa-sawa. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate each and every one of you even though I do not know your name, no? So, thank you so much sa iyo. Okay? And yun nga, nawala tayo ditong gender, mga mahal, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong is-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga mag-swap-swap dahil general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free nyo pong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And kung hindi nyo pa knows, may main channel tayo ang The High Priestess kung saan nag-upload din tayo araw-araw ng collective readings for all signs. At kung hanap ninyo ay reading per zodiac sign, meron din yan. No? Ang link niyan, andyan sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link na to visit that channel, okay? And yes, no, timeless ito, so meaning to say, pwedeng nangyari na to some of you, pwedeng nangyayari na sa kasalukuyan or in the present moment, at sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lang, kaya naman, just take how this resonates, no? Like a prediction to your future, yeah. So, here, so kung titingnan ko ito, mga babes, no, someone right here, no, Pokushipo. Yeah, no? So, in Korean, I want to see you, no? But it can also be translated, no? Into I miss you. Yeah, no? Pero yung Pokushipo is I want to see you. Yeah, no? So, this person right here, from the looks of this, nakakaloka mga babes, with the Five of Wands right here, no? This is an indication. No? Na kailangan kitang makita ngayon. I need to see you right now. Yes, ikaw na nanonood ngayon, no? Someone right here. Okay? Kailangan kanyang makita ngayon. Kasi kung hindi, para siya ritong mababaliw or masisiraan na ng ulo, no? In short, no, I'm picking up that phrase na parang matatakasan ata ng bait. Yan, no? So, yeah. Kaya kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this is the type of energy right here who wants to see you right now. Because if hindi, okay, baka daw siya ay mabaliw na ngayon. No? Kaya this person right here wants to see you ngayon. No? With this Temperance in reverse position and the Seven of Wands, no, yeah, this person here is already being impatient. This person right here, no, parang hindi niya narito makontrol ang kanya rito, no, na emotions and feelings dahil gusto niya na kayong makita ngayon na. With this Nine of Swords energy and there's this Eight of Cups, this is the person right here, no, na may energy ng pagtakas. Ewan ko ba't may pagtakas dito. Wala naman tayo nakukuha rito, no, na NPA. Wala naman tayo nakukuha rito na siya ay criminal, no, or whatever, no. But this person here did some kind of parang like a crime. Parang naituturing na rin na crime sa inyo. This person here could have hurt you in any way possible, shape, or form in the past. No, definitely, I'm talking about your ex-lover. Yeah, your ex-lover wants to see you right now because if hindi, mababaliw na daw siya ngayon. That's the energy, no? And well, kung tatanungin ninyo ako if totoo ba yun, Miss Yan, na parang mababaliw ba siya ngayon pag hindi niya ako nakita, no? Yes. Okay? I know, it sounds too good to be true at maaaring hindi ka maniwala, but yes, okay? Parang talaga siya rito mababaliw pag hindi ka niya nakita rito. You know? So, this person right here, maaaring yung word na pagtakas, baka siya ay nasa loob ng relationship ngayon, no? At posibleng siya ito, no, na parang tumatakas dito, no, just to see you. Okay? Just to, you know, masilayan kayo rito, no, kahit na saglit lang, no? Even though he or she is inside another relationship, parang ganun, no? Pero yung iba, no, doesn't have to be like that, but this person here wants to see you right now kasi parang feeling niya, matatakasan na raw siya rito ng bait. Na Eight of Swords energy and Three of Swords is an indication right here of someone, no, who is already losing yung kanyang sanity. Alam mo yun, no? Parang hindi ka na rito makapag-isip ng tama. This person cannot focus right here when he or she is working. Ano man yung trabaho niya, yung profession niya, occupation niya, no? This person right here, wala siya sa sarili niya ulirat, no? Maybe someone here is calling you, "Pero let's eat na," yan, no? Or, "Sis, let's eat na," yan, no? Parang, "Uy, narinig mo ba ako? Tara na," yan, no? Parang, siya ito na parang not paying attention sa sinasabi ng iba, na wala siya rin pag-iisip rito, and this person here wants to see you. That's what he or she is all thinking right now, no? It's all over his or her head, no? I want to see, collective, ikaw yun, gusto ko niya makita rito, yes, you, now, no? Nagnonood, tama ba? Nanonood, yun. Tagalog kasi. Nanonood ngayon, no, sa iyong screen ng cellphone mo, no. So, definitely, okay, this is you. Namimiss ka niya rito, no. So, parang makakain lang siya ng maayos dito, makakatulog lang siya ng maayos dito, mapapansin niya lang dito yung ibang mga bagay, no, kahit yung boss niya dito or anuman, no, kung makikita or masisilayan niya kayo. I know, no. This person right here is someone, no, who is like this. Yes. And definitely, it's your ex-lover right here, no. Na tingin ko, naubos na lang talaga yung pasensya mo sa kanya. No? You know, this is a tree in the background. Look at that. This is a tree in the background. And as you can see, no, walang leaves, pero may mga uwak. No? So, it looks like talagang end na ang inyong connection, no? A tree is a symbol of family. Maybe this guy or this woman right here is your ex-husband, ex-wife right here, or someone you already created the future in your vision, but this person right here could had, you know, messed up intong connection ninyo, no? And maybe had gone into a different path right here, maybe into the feeling of someone else, yan, no? Or maybe ibang bagay na nag-interfere dito, no? Because nakita ko dito ng pag-alas, no? And this is you, no? Maybe you are someone right here, tinanggap niyo ito, no? Dahil ito yung kanyang naging desisyon at parang wala na kayong magawa dito, no? Way back then. With the Four of Coins energy right here, High Priestess, no? Alam mo, hindi ko alam, hindi naman itong tao na to ay sa walang relihiyon na. Pero meron siya rito, it gives me this type of energy. That this person here is parang ganito yung sinasabi niya. If meron talagang ang mga anghel, if meron talagang Diyos, if meron talagang universe at nakikinig sa akin ngayon, can you please bring back this person watching right now sa piling ko? Ano, parang ganun siya. Okay? Are you getting my point here, sweetheart? Okay? So, meaning to say, this person here might be not really that religious. Maybe he or she is not someone who goes to church every Sunday or kung ano man yung relihiyon niya, beliefs, no? Doesn't have to be na, yeah, ang energy niya is parang hindi siya as in masyadong relihiyoso or hindi siya madasalin, no? Kasi parang yung energy is parang if meron talagang mga anghel daw and if meron talagang Diyos dito at talagang nakikinig, no? Ngayon lang ako hihiling sa lahat ng parang times, ngayon lang ako hihiling, can you bring back my person pabalik sa akin? And that person, he or she is praying for, no? Ikaw yun, no? So, yun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, yeah, I do see that this person right here is in that type of energy, like almost begging, no? Pero, alam mo yung parang sinusubok niya rito, no? Alam mo kasi si God, di ba? Hindi natin pwedeng subukin ng Panginoon, no? So, kung ano man yung tawag mo sa Panginoon mo, alam ko, isa lang yung ating Panginoon, no? Kahit iba-iba tayo ng relihiyon dito, no? Pero, hindi natin kailangan subukan ng Panginoon. Parang sinasabi niya kasi dito, kayang bang ibalik? Alam mo, kaya kang ibalik ng Panginoon sa piling ng taong ito, no? Pero may tinatawag kasi tayong lahat ng bagay ay may dahilan. Okay? Everything has its own reason right here, no? Yeah, pati ang Panginoon, pati ang Diyos, pati si universe right here, no? And this person right here, okay, if you're gonna jumble that praises, no? If may mga anghel, if may mga unseen divine forces, if may mga hindi makita rito, no, na mga nilalang, na pwede niyo bang ibalik? Parang ganun yung sinasabi niyo, no? Pwede niyo bang ibalik si collective sa akin, sa feeling ko, no? 'Di ba? Parang mga ganun yung sinasabi niya rito, no? So with the Two of Swords energy right here, no, I don't know what's really going on right here talaga, no, between you guys, but the universe won't allow this guy or this woman to meet you again, no? So 'di ba, alam natin yung yung praise na ano, bawi na lang next life. Bawi ka na lang next life, no? Pero alam mo, wala nang next life. Kasi the universe will not let you meet this person sa susunod na mga next lives mo. At sa susunod na next lives niya, hindi ka na rin niya rito mamimit. The tower is an indication that the universe will block this, okay, soul to meet you again, no? Because this soul right here is appearing to be someone na sasaktan ka lamang ulit, no? The universe will not allow you to meet this guy or this woman right here in your next lives, no? So, may ganong klase ng energy. So, sorry na lang siya, wala nang next life na magtatagpo kayo rito, no? So, nakita ko dito, it's all over, yan, no? So, nakita natin to, no, na klase ng energy kung saan talagang mababaliw talaga siya rito, no? I'm seeing others of them, no? Unti-unti talaga silang mababaliw dito, no? I hate to say that, but unfortunately, may mga talagang some of them na talagang mauuwi talaga, no? You know that, no? Mentally affected talaga sila dito. Yes. Okay? Others, hindi naman mauuwi sa mentally na magiging parang baliw sila rito. But, nakikita ko rin dito na parang hindi sila makaka-receive ng love talaga. Okay? Kahit may dumating sa life nila, no, they are not really welcoming that new person into their life. Because what they all want to have is you. Yan, no? No one can replace you. Okay? You're irreplaceable. Beyonce knows. You're irreplaceable. Yeah, no? So, kasi naman tong energy na to, no? This person here wants to see you right now, but I do not see na makikita niya kayo rito, no? Because, ngayon pa nga lang, binablock na to ni universe, no? Na makalapit, no? At makita kayo rito, no? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Okay? Tapos, i-block pa yung mga next lives ninyo, no? Na magtagpo kayo because this person here, no? Will only make you cry. Yeah. So yeah, ito yung mga messages right here for you guys, no? So kasi naman itong mga energies na ito, no, sorry na lang, wala na rin talagang next step, kaya hindi na sila pwedeng bumawi next life. So yeah, ito mga messages right here for you guys. Again, in your Yana on me for the girls and Yana Luna for the boys. Sarang Hiya, love and light, and Anyo.